Detailing your car here at My Mississauga Chrysler. We want to help you keep your vehicle in the best shape. One of the ways to do that is by offering you auto detailing. Now, while you might think that this is just putting designs on the car, it isn't only mainly. It's getting good cleaning to your vehicle. We offer 3 packages: gold, silver, and bronze. Each level offers more perks from the previous, and we'll go through each one to begin with. However, let's talk about the reasons why you should come here for the auto detailing. First of all, when we deep clean your vehicle, we take out the mats, we wash out the wheels, rims, and flaps inside the vehicle. We clean out the salt deposits that develop in winter. If the salt deposits aren't clean, they would affect your wiring underneath your seat. The bronze package begins at $89. It's the best level and includes vacuuming the interior, wiping it down, cleaning the seats and surrounding areas, as well as the window. On the outside, it will be hand washed and dried. The rims are cleaned, and also bugs removed. This is a good basic clean. The silver package includes all those, plus an emphasis on the interior plus the trunk. It includes brushing and vacuuming the interior, shampoo and steam detailing the interior, full wipe down cleaning and conditioning the leather, and do the windows and mirrors. This package begins at $269. Lastly, the gold package. This is the package you need if you're needing a good heavy cleaning of a vehicle. This will include everything from the silver and bronze packages, but also includes several features on the outside. It also has the rubber and plastic trim clean and the engine bay clean. There is paint protection and shine. Lastly, waxing. This protects your vehicle and fills in small scratches. To learn which is the best for you, visit us at My Mississauga Chrysler. Have a nice day.